This short guide explains how to buy shares of Actelis Networks Inc., a company that provides broadband and network transport equipment. Actelis Networks trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ASNS, and this is an educational video, not financial advice. To place a trade, you will need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will typically need to verify your identity with a government ID and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker ASNS to locate the listing. Choose the result that matches Actelis Networks Inc. to open the asset entry for the stock. On the asset page, you will see a brief company description and a price chart showing recent performance. Confirm the name reads Actelis Networks Inc. and the ticker is ASNS to ensure it is the correct stock. Tap Investor Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, and review order details such as order type and estimated cost before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and set alerts. A link to the eToro example is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.